Hey guys, so today what we're going to be doing is changing the Evap leak detection pump on a third generation Ram 1500. For my truck, it's a 2006 1500 with 5.7. It's pretty easy to change, and so I'll go through the steps on how to do that, and then it's vice versa when you put everything back on. So first thing first, you're going to want to go ahead and remove this tube right here, which went connected onto that outlet hose or inlet hose. I'm not sure which way it goes. And then this pigtail kind of took a while for me to figure out how to take it off, but you're going to want to go ahead and pull that one off. And then the heat shield on the side has two 10mm bolts, which you'll take off pretty easily. Self-explanatory there. So when you go ahead and take off the hose, I usually like to tuck it underneath I think that's the transmission support or bracket. And then with this pigtail, there's a little trick to it. That little red tab right there, what you're going to want to do is push it from the right side, right there, and it's going to extend further all the way to the left. You should be able to pull that tab down and remove it. Then from here, push that tab up on the pump, give it a twist either clockwise or counterclockwise, and then pop it off. Then when you get your new one, make sure to either put a new O-ring or get the old one and put it on there. Just make sure it's okay. You're going to put it in place. I don't know if you guys see those grooves there, but you should match them up with those ones on the bottom of the pump. Once you do so, you put it on, turn it either the other way, or sorry, clockwise or counterclockwise, and that tab is going to lock in place. That's going to hold it in line. And that's pretty much it. And then you just put everything back together, and there you go. Hope this helps out. Thanks.